Welcome to Diamond Show. Welcome to Diamond Show. Welcome to Diamond Show. Welcome to today's Diamond Show. Welcome to Diamond Show. Welcome to Diamond Show. And that's the bottom line because Ramu said so. Hi, good morning, my unbelievable magical Viva family members. So, welcome to Diamond Show. So, this is my new initiative. Every week, Friday, I am doing this Diamond Show. So, this is episode number 2. Right now, I am in Horsley Hills, one of the beautiful hill stations. Yesterday we completed our RTP yesterday and day before yesterday, so 2 days RTP, and so today we are leaving. Before that, I want to just do this Diamond Show. So just you can see, so all greenery. So even in our company we have one green initiative, that is a Green Planet initiative, and really that is one of the great initiative by our company. Then one more thing is, so one more important thing is, just when we are entering to this Horsley Hills 2 days back, we are fully tired because of continuous programs and lot of stress was there. But once when we are seeing, when we saw the greenery around this hill station, at that moment, in a moment, like just like a click, within a click, all the stress got down, and we came to normal, and even we didn't feel that tired. Because this greenery, this is so much beautiful. Greenery helped us. So with that, just I want to tell you one message, is that we promote our Green Planet initiative. We plant more trees. Just by looking our trees and just by looking the nature, we can get relief from our stress. So that is the place we are. But today's, just I want to share with you in Diamond Show that the main important, one of the main important points which we require to build our business, that is sales closing. That is what I want to share with you, because the sales close very important requirement, and especially Friday, and especially today we need the sales closing skill. See, sales closing have different meanings, and it is not like a classroom subject. Just by someone teaching how to close the sales, it won't happen. The main important thing in sales closing is because there is an X factor. The person in front of you keep on changing, and the reasons why they need a opportunity also will keep on changing. So there is no perfect method to close the sales, and there is no perfect formula or perfect technique to close the sales. But I believe that sales closing is just transferring our own confidence to the person who we are showing the presentation. Whatever the confidence is there, that we have to transfer to them. So that is the main important common point which we to a housewife, to a like a person who is working, having a job, and who is doing a traditional business, whoever the opposite person, we can just use the only one thing is that transferring the our confidence to them. That is the main thing in sales closing. And but I want to add a few more things also, like just I want to give one small stats also regarding this sales closing. See, Whoever we are showing presentation, out of that, if we are showing if we are showing a presentation to 100 people, out of that 100 people, there is a guarantee that at least minimum to minimum 5 percentage people are really, they are searching for, already they are in a search for opportunity. Out of the 100 people, 5 people are already in search of an opportunity. So whomever we are meeting, just we have to identify which category they belong to, because already 5 people they will be searching the opportunity. Just I want to share one example. I just want to bring a real estate example. See, if I am a real estate agent, then I want to sell few houses to people. Then out of 100 people, 5 people already looking the house in that area. There will be 5 people who are already looking a house in the area. Then another 15 people, just we have to create awareness that they need an house in that area. For 15 people we have to create that need. Then another 30 people will be there, they want a house but they don't know how to arrange money. Another 30 people will be there, they want house but they want to, they don't know how to arrange money. And remaining 50 people, they are, they, out of that 50 people also, 20 people doesn't know that they want a house. 20 people, they doesn't know how they want the house. Remaining 30 people are like, whoever come and say, they won't listen. This is the ratio. If we are the same example, if we implement in our business, then exactly if you take 5 people are already searching an opportunity to change their life. 15 people are there, they, for them we have to create an awareness that they need an opportunity, and that there are 15 percentage of people. 30 percentage of people, they want the opportunity, they want to start industry opportunity, but they don't know how to arrange the money. There are another 20 percentage of people, they don't know that they need an opportunity. And the last 30 percentage people are those people, even if our company CEO come and explain the opportunity of last 30. So if you are meeting a person, if you are giving a presentation to a person, you just identify which category that person belong to. Is he already searching an opportunity, or he is he does he know that he need an opportunity or not? Then the third category, is he interested in the opportunity but the arranging cash is the issue? Or the next category of people who are like they want, they doesn't know that they need an opportunity. Is that person is that category, or is that person is the last category? In that category is whoever show the presentation, they will just keep on saying no. Is he belong to that category? If you can categorize the person whom you show the plan into these categories, it is very very easy to transfer that kind of confidence to them. If he is the first category, you don't need to do anything, just give the application form, because he is already in the search of an opportunity. You just give an application form, he will fill it, then it's done, the sale is closed. If the person is the second category, the second category people are, they need an awareness that they want an opportunity they need an opportunity. So that category we can transfer confidence in that in such a way that so we can create that awareness that because today inflation is very high, today expenses are going very very high, and we need a better opportunity other than a job or a business, a traditional business or something, to overcome this opportunity. So we can tell all these things and create that awareness. And the third category people, they are interested but they don't know how to arrange money. So in that case you can just give the confidence to them that if they can arrange money, and you have to give the some examples how to arrange money also. If you ask me how I started, see, when I started the industry opportunity, I started with a 40 product package, and my sponsor told me, my sponsor told me, Ramu, if you come with the PCM only, I can support you. That is the condition he kept. And I belong to the first category. I am in searching an opportunity. I badly need an opportunity to come out of all my debts. So what I did is, and he showed me the presentation, and he told me that this is very very required. So then what I did is, then he told me, so he gave me few suggestions to arrange money also. So I followed his suggestions, but mainly the major amount I got is like I used to have I used to pay insurances. There was an insurance with me at that time. So what I did is I surrendered that insurance and I got the money, and that is how I started the Viva opportunity. So there are different ways to arrange money. If once we are decided, then it is very very easy. So that confidence we have to share with that prospect. Then next category is that he doesn't know that even he required an opportunity, and he thinks that his life is everything is perfect. So he don't know that he required an opportunity. In that category, so we have to again create that need. There is a need for an opportunity and extra income. And the last category, if you find that person is the last category, then it is very simple to give a shake hand and hug and just move on, because whoever show the presentation, he won't start. So even if a person, the way he talk, we can understand which category he belongs to. But whatever just these are just statistics. But we agree, if you can transfer the confidence, what confidence you are having, if you can transfer that confidence to the prospect, then it is very 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 easy. And one more thing in sales closing is asking right questions. That is one major mistake all the distributors will do, because they always ask the wrong questions when you start this opportunity. That is an open-end question. The prospect might say maybe in 2024, after the completion of 10th year celebration, I want to start this opportunity. What if the prospect says it? Do you have any reply to that? So we better to choose the questions we ask, and for that you have to do a little bit of homework. So what questions we can ask to get the what answers we want. So you already have the answers, you just prepare. You have to prepare questions. That is what you have to create. You have to prepare the questions only. So my dear friends, just do some homework on preparing right questions, like which name you want to start this opportunity, in your name or your wife name. So you can ask like questions like closed end questions. So do you want to pay like cash or card? Then the best question comes is, which part of our presentation do you like? Is it products or the compensation plan, the reward program, or the entire presentation? which part of our presentation like. Then it will be easy. If you get, then you will get a positive answer that he might like the product or the compensation or the reward or the whole presentation. You will get a positive answer, and depending upon that answer you can just prepare next question. So next question, don't ever ask like no do this opportunity, do you want to start this opportunity? That one of the wrong questions which you can ask. And the worst question anybody can ask is, do you have any doubts? That is the worst question that anybody can ask while doing a sales closing. See, few people are, I told you, as the first 5% are ready to do the business. If you are asking this question to that first 5% people, then they will create the doubts. Our leaders used to say one thing: if you don't have any doubts, don't create one. Have any doubts, you don't create one doubt by asking the question, do you have any doubts? So just asking right questions is one method. Then categorizing in which category he belongs to, that is another method. So and the main method is transferring our confidence. And how you will get confidence, that is the important question. And that is the next question: how we will get the confidence? We can get confidence by two things. One is knowledge. If we can improve the knowledge, knowledge about our company, knowledge about our products, knowledge about our compensation plan, and knowledge support system, knowledge about our top leaders, our black diamonds, and our executive diamonds and above. So knowing about their lifestyles. So knowledge about all these things, knowledge about where the programs are happening. So entire each and everything knowledge about Viva, that give you huge confidence. Then the second way is like attending programs. Attending programs, you will get huge confidence, huge belief, it will get increased. So if you are confident only, then the confidence can be transferred to a prospect. So to get more confident, get know about all our company, our products, our compensation, everything. And uh, uh, to gain more confidence, the second thing is attend all the events which are happening around you. My suggestion is, as our Vibrant Viva system says, 50 kilometers surrounding any event is happening, you just go and attend. It will give you huge confidence. These two things are important to build confidence. And last, I want to add the biggest confidence you can get, that is by earning income every week. Earning an income every week, that is the biggest confidence, that give you biggest confidence. If even all first two we do, there might be 1% doubt, but if you are keep earning every week income, then that will give you the 1,000 tons of confidence. So my dear unbelievable magical Viva family members, finally I want to conclude this video by saying, today is a Friday. Today is an opportunity to build your confidence, earn maximum income today, and you build your confidence. So sales closing is very, very important thing in our business. For sales closing, there are different kind of people. You first categorize them. Then second thing is ask right questions. Then third thing is by getting more knowledge about Viva. Then second thing, by attending all the programs. Then the third is earn income every week, and just keep on increasing that income. That will give you more and more confidence. So today is a chance, today is an opportunity to earn your highest income. So all the best partners, today make the best week in your Viva career. All the best. Bye bye. See you in the next Diamond Show next week. So thank you friends, thank you for your support, thank you for your support for this diamond show. So you are keep encouraging me to make these videos. Thank you for inspiring me.
And that's the bottom line, because Ramu said so.